Hi everyone, I'm Ravit, the Managing Partner of Chapter New Jersey. Chapter is a full-service design-build company that brings all the vendors under one roof. Designers, builders, and project managers working as one. From concept to completion, we handle it all. One process, one team, perfect results. If you're thinking about renovation in New Jersey, reach out and see how Chapter can make your dreams come true. We are here at Sayreville, New Jersey. Let me show you what we did. One major upgrade we made was removing the old chimney to accommodate a new ductwork that serves the second floor air conditioner system. We also gave the kitchen and bathroom a complete makeover with a fresh and modern look. We used terrazzo on the walls and terracotta tiles inside the shower to create an earthy look that matches the kitchen cabinet.